Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I will be cooking steamed stuffed chicken tofu. It is super easy and delicious. Come along with me to see how it is prepared. Here I've got some minced chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to it. And I've also got a can of fried dace with salted black beans. So what we need to do is to take a piece of it and then we are going to mince it so that we can get about 2 tablespoons of minced black bean dace. It's a bit salty, a bit savory, and there's a hint of sweetness. So here we are, 2 tablespoons of black bean dace. So we also need to put in 1 teaspoon of minced ginger and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. So mix all these ingredients thoroughly. Okay, so we put this filling aside. We have got 4 crabsticks here, and we're going to remove the plastic covering. We're going to cut it into 2. Yeah, that means 1 piece will yield 2 pieces, and we'll put this aside. Here we have got 4 medium firm tofu. I chose medium firm rather than silken tofu because the silken tofu is a little bit too soft and the firm tofu is a little bit too hard. So this is just right. So each piece I'm going to cut it into 2. You can also cut it into 4 pieces if you want your recipe to have smaller pieces. So arrange them radially on a big platter. Something like this. Then use a teaspoon to gently remove the middle part of the tofu to form a cavity. Just do it gently and do not remove the sides. You can also use a bread knife to get cleaner sides. So just remove about, I would say, to about half the height. So when all is done, it will look something like this. So it's time for us to fill each cavity with 1 tablespoon of the minced chicken filling. So completely cover the cavity. So do the same for the other 7 pieces. Then we're going to put in our crab stick. Aside from minced chicken, you can also put minced fish, minced prawns, or some other minced meat. It's up to you. So here we have got 6 eggs. So I'm going to lightly beat the eggs for about, I would say, about 30 seconds. Then we are going to sieve the eggs into 450 milliliters of chicken broth. The sieving is to ensure that we got smooth, silky steamed eggs. So whatever that doesn't go through the sieve, we can discard it. Okay, so then we give the 2 ingredients a little mix. Right. So we are going to do our next step is to steam our tofu. Make sure that the platter is level so that when we pour in the eggs will have a uniform height. Okay, so we are going to cover and steam it for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce. The sauce comprises of 1 teaspoon of sugar, 5 tablespoons of water, 5 tablespoons of light soya sauce. So we are going to bring it to boil while stirring over low heat. So we are going to wait for the bubbles to come along, and once it reaches this stage, we are going to then pour it into our steamed tofu. So pour all over the tofu as well as over the eggs. Then we're going to put some shredded spring onions and shredded bell peppers right at the center. And pour hot oil over our vegetables and over our tofu. Here we are. Our stuffed chicken tofu is ready. It is best served hot with a bowl of hot rice or a bowl of porridge. The minced chicken is smooth, soft and silky due to the addition of cornstarch. The addition of the fried dace with salted black beans imparts a salty, savory, and a little hint of sweetness to our dish. This dish is a favorite amongst young and old, especially for young children. Hope you will give this dish a try someday. Thanks for stopping by, and as usual, happy cooking!